Okay, y'all, here it is. The moment you've all been waiting for. It is the final installment of our 4L80E build. Woohoo! Man, there's been a lot of videos out there. There's a lot of good information. I hope you all find it useful. We're just tidying up the very last parts of this. Basically putting the bottom half of the case together. So, thank you all so much for tuning in and you know, watching the videos. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you would, please. And smash that like button and notification bell, turn that thing on. And I really do appreciate it. So with that being said, on to the final video. All right. Slight intermission there. I'm just recentering the gasket on the valve body the best I can. All right. Got our manual valve in there. Yep, it's there. All right. So this dude, need to make sure to get this manual valve lined up with your linkage. And it will hold the valve body up a little bit because you've got that 2-1 servo over there on that one side. All right, you get some bolts that are different. You got 6 of these here, and those 6 go to, what did I do with it? Those 6 bolts go to this pressure switch. So we'll go ahead and set the pressure switch on here. If you notice, you get your ports here for all your switch. So you got your 2 there, so it's going to sit on there about like that. All right. And we'll go ahead and stick those 8mm headed bolts down in there. Then what's nice about a 4L80 is all the bolts are the same size. So you don't have 50 different length choices. And you're going to have to move a couple around because there's a pipe that, a transfer pipe that goes in the back. And I'll show you that one when we get there. These are kind of like lead nuts. You always start them by hand. Make sure you get a couple threads caught, because if you use a power tool on it and you don't have it, you'll pull the threads right out of the case. Then that's a bad day. Okay, this one over here is for your detent. You actually got two of them. That one in there. That one in there. Alright, then you get your pipe. And this pipe here is your rear bushing lube. And it goes right down in this hole right here. And it goes in that hole right there. So if you notice, it goes right over the top. Right over the top of that one bolt. So there's also a retainer for that, and that's this dude here. So we'll take that bolt out, move it over there, because this one's going to go right here. So we'll run all them down, and then we'll torque them and go from there. Alright, I still don't think I'm going to be able to get that around that bolt. Nope. Alright, so let's torque all the rest of them. And we'll leave that one for very last. We're going to start at center, work it clockwise, and just go around in a circle. That way we know we've got them all. Alright, we're going to torque these to 106 inch-pounds. Alright, now we need to put our pipe in. It just sits on there and it lubes that rear bushing. It just sits over there and get down in there. Okay. It won't hurt you to go over, just to go around and check your bolts one more time, make sure that they're torqued right. And like I said, if you go in a clockwise pattern, you're almost assured you're not going to miss one. Now that I've already torqued the clockwise, doesn't really, not really that important. Alright, so now comes your harness. If you can, try to route this harness underneath this pipe. Kind of like that. Because this big connector, you're going to need to get up here to this switch. We're going to slide it under the pipe this way. Need to make sure that that fluid temperature sensor is in the pan anyway, so this new harness is pretty stiff. That one there. Green one there. That's your big red here. Then you get your TCC up front, and then your PC solenoid. Okay, you're ready for your filter, and I will usually give just a little bit of dab of trans gel on that filter to aid in it going in just a little bit easier, like that. You get your reusable pan gasket. Do it on there like that. Last but not least, your pan. Pan's a little worse for wear. And put all your bolts in. And tighten these to 13 foot-pounds. Ta-da! That's it, y'all. We are done. There it is in all its glory. Our 4L80E is rebuilt. Man, that's a long process. It's they're complicated, but You know, the way the gear train goes together on these older ones is a little bit different than the new stuff. I think a lot of the new stuff is a little easier. Down the road here, not anytime soon, but down the road I'm going to do another one for you. I've got a 6L80 for all you 5th gen Camaro owners that you might want to see. They use those up until I think it was 15 they started putting, 14 or 15 they started putting the 8-speed in the Camaros, but they use the 6L80 and 6L90. 6L90 I think was in the Camaros. But anyway, so we're done with this dude. I hope you liked what you seen. I hope you enjoyed the series. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on so you get all the latest updates when I post new videos and stuff. Share it with your friends. Smash that like button. Smash that button. Anyway, hey, thanks so much for being a subscriber. Thanks for sticking with me. That's going to be it for this series. And until next time, take care of each other. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.